your boy EntryBrave, and today I'm bringing you a new series called Cook with Entry. And for the first episode, we're going to be making one of my favorite, chicken chili. Let's go! So the first thing we're going to be doing is marinating our chicken. Now for the chicken pieces, I've got boneless chicken cut into cubes because I prefer it this way. And we've got an egg, we've got black pepper, we've got all-purpose flour, chili powder, garlic and ginger paste, salt, vinegar, coriander and cumin powder. We've also got cornstarch, cooking oil, and we've got some wine for additional taste. So now we're going to mix it all up. Now after I've added all the ingredients, I'm going to mix it up with hand because that's the best way to do it. Make sure you do it very well so that all the flavors get inside the chicken. So after you've done this, at least keep it aside for 30 minutes or maybe even more. I prefer to do it overnight, so I'm going to leave this to rest for overnight because now the flavors are going to get inside the chicken and be ready for tomorrow. So what I've done here is taken some dried chili and peanut and let them sink in water for about half or 1 hour. We're gonna use this for our chicken chili. So we've taken the soaked peanuts and chili. We're adding egg, sesame seeds, cornstarch and salt and mixing it all up. After we've mixed this, we're leaving it for overnight again, and we'll be cooking it with the chicken tomorrow. As you can see, it's completely marinated and good. Now we've taken them out of the refrigerator and we're gonna let them sit aside. Along in the meantime, we'll be cutting some vegetables for the procedure. So now we're ready for the final cooking process. The ingredients are set up here. We need onions, we need green chili, green bell pepper, coriander and tomato. We need soy sauce, ketchup, we have chili, we have sesame seeds, we have salt, and for additional spice we have green chili sauce and chili water. And then this is the peanut and chili mixture we prepared yesterday. Make sure you slice them all up accordingly. The chili is sliced in a diagonal sections. The green bell pepper are made into cubes for the chicken chili. The onions are diced in a rounded oval shape for this. And now we proceed to the cooking. So now we're ready to cook. We've heated the oil and the temperature is very good. Now we're gonna fry the chicken. Set it on. So now we're gonna let this fry until it's light golden brown like this, and after this we're done with this. So we're gonna set this aside because we'll also fry this later on with the other ingredients. So now the pan is heated. We're gonna add cooking oil, which is sunflower oil. After this we're lowering the temperature and we're adding onions, green chilies, and capsicum. We're going to add the coriander and tomato later on. We're going to mix this properly. Make sure you don't overdo it because you don't want this to be very soggy. Now we will also add the mixture we prepared yesterday. Add some salt, chili, now we're adding our chicken. Let it crisp for a while. Now we'll add soy sauce. ketchup. Now for extra flavor, I am adding green chili ketchup and the chili water. And now we're adding the tomatoes and we're saving the coriander for the last bit. Make sure to add water so that the chicken or the other ingredients doesn't stick to the pan. Simmer it down for a few minutes. Now we're adding the corianders and the sesame seeds, and we're going to stir it up and finish it up. It smells good. This is amazing. क्यों भैया यहाँ टेस्टिङ भइरहेछ? Yes, yes, let's go. Yes, wine is good. Finally, it's done. You missed away. These are my assistant. Thank you so much. Oh, Sandeep Kapoor. Come on. Yeah. Guys, behind the scenes. Yes, it's chicken chili, obviously spicy. You beauty. The creation, the creator.